Let's go, Mom! I don't know how fair this is. I messed up bad on that one.
Okay, Jackson.
Let's go!
Oh, yeah. Mom! PJ! Jackson, Jackson, Jackson! Nothing around, nothing around, nothing off the line, nothing around!
Hey, Jackson, he's the guy! Got Grant, got Grant, got Grant, still got Grant!
Jackson! Nothing off that line!
Seal, PJ. Seal. Yeah, Jimmy. Up! Yeah, hope! Let's go, Cat! Go down the menu. Let's go, Harvey! Ow! Right shot. Nice cut, Ian. No round. No under. Oh! Yes, Ian! He hit his head. Yeah, it's definitely a score. Oh, yeah, it was just a bad. But he held it the entire time. Hey! Whoa! Midnight! One technical! Midnight! Hey, one more. Guy's done. Jules, what is it? Midnight. Get down there! First throw! Nice cut, Hardy! Jack!
Need help!
Careful!
Hey, Jack touched it. Get that on camera, Jack touched it.
Hey, Rudy, turn up!
Not winning, George.
Yeah, Hardy. Hey, we're away. We're home. Back in.
Rudy, you win.
Behind you, Jim.
Out of there.
Nice, Jim.
We swing with this.
Go Hawk, it's you!
Yeah!
Water! Inside, Caleb, all inside! Inside! All inside!
Let's go.
Sorry, Mom.
Let's go, Liam!
Let's go! All right, guys, take up the cadence. Or wash after that. Takes her down.
Go, Mom! Out.
Woo!
Hey, Doug, going!
Oh!
You got me there.
That was a great punch.
Jackson! Charlie!
Chili!
Call it!
Waffles, Jack!
Alex, get out!
No backhand, Luke! No backhand!
Hardy!
Phil!
Hardy!
Great knee. Two more keys, Jimmy. Great knee. Yahoo!
It's all right. We're getting our opportunities. That's all that matters.
Bounce!
Away!
Bounce! Do not let him have it! Bounce!
Up!
Nothing off the line. Inside. Waffles!
Yes!
Up! Up!
Woo!
That might have kissed the grass.
Yeah.
Nice!
That's tough. That is really tough right
Oh,
there.
nice pass.
Hey, Jimmy!
That two our guys get dusted.
High noon!
Let's go, Mom!
Here we go, Cat! What time is Soft Cat? Come on, Mom, come on. Yeah, team. Yes, team. Good, Ducky, not looking. 4:30? Okay. Now you're on.
Cook Pesto.
Panic! Yeah, Josh not looking, Josh. Nice snag, honey. Josh. Josh. Yeah, Brandon! Go, baby.
Yeah, well, it's something I'm not familiar with, so I don't want to do it again.
Right.
I don't have to deal with that again, you know what I mean? Like, I appreciate it. No, I completely understand where you're coming from. Like, in that moment, I'm like...
I think it was just a problem with our last term we played against a team who would have one guy literally come over and look to see if a cut was going to make and direct people and then walk away. That's obviously not the right thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, that feels just like cheap.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I want to say cheap.
Yeah, we're good.
Stelly.
Had not encountered that before.
I think the market
I heard you got your first win?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
It was good. So I let them take over, so everyone should be feeling a little bit more confident going into tomorrow.
Very good.
All I did was throw the returns.
There we go, Greg! Harvey! Cats! Let's go, Cats! Back! There we go, we're good. The old grip lock, baby. It's been a while, Tiny, it's been a while. I like a stronger grip versus a looser one, if we're being honest. Oh yeah, let's go, Tina.
We go Pesto.
Let's go, Jerb. Here we go, Jerb.
Luke, you're a panic. Up. Nice.
Yes, Grant.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Nice and easy. Oh, easy. Swing it!
Come back, X. X, look for it.
Up. Panic. All around.
Wow.
Let's go, Landon.
Let's go, Mom.
Yeah, no, buddy, I'm gonna break this.
Oh no! How do I get out of here?
Let's go, Mom! Yeah, Liam.
Get there, PJ, get there! Big mark, PJ.
Yeah, Jack. No big up!
Oh, Mark!
Right! Jack and Harding. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Let's go!
All right, Jack.
Pressure right there, baby. That's pressure.
Pressure, Jack!
Yeah, Jack!
We saw the hands go up. We have X from DC Freeze on
The next film.
Google the first name. Now we have to score. No, the initials are the same. It's fine.
Here we go, D. Nice and easy.
Look at the initials. Yep. And the first name, not the last name or the pictures. We're like the same height.
Just gotta work it up.
Good spirit, Alec. Or it's like 5'5", I'm like 5'7".
No.
Hey, play D! Play D! Play D! What's our force? We're flick! We're flick!
Talk to him, Mom.
Yeah, home!
Get it, someone here. Oh, 4 times.
Zip.
Oh, okay. You know what? This is exactly why we have waffles.
Waffles.
For every call we don't call, waffles will call through.
Waffles, my boy.
Knowing him, he's not going to give up and take it back.
Not the pupusas.
Yo, no, it's just pupusas, isn't it?
Head taps. Hey, Hawk, he'll be looking now. It'll be now. That's one I don't know. I don't know. I mean, if they're looking at your feet, I feel it's bad.
Doug's still hot, let's go.
Whoa, there's a creature. Look at that thing. What is it?
Oh, that's like a groundhog.
Yeah.
Hawk! 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 Come on, Doug! Come on, Doug!
Oh, nice.
That was
Yeah. Pretty clean.
Is that a Rumspringa guy?
I would say that one was actually.
I wasn't sure if it was like practice.
People use it for like rock climbing. It's the exact same but it's just so dry, so like nothing to slope.
Here we go. Oh!
Get down there, boys. Oh, that's it's coming backwards. Oh, all day, baby. Almost hit him. All day, baby.
Yeah, Cotter.
He could.
Hot team, hot team, hot team.
Under 10, under.
Out, Pesto.
Inside.
Oh, foul.
Gotta catch that. Gotta catch that.
Wait. And then
Foul called.
injury.
Injury?
It was before the throw.
Who do you want?
Who do you want?
Team, don't do that.
X, who do you want for Landon? X, who do you want for Landon?
Buddy.
Buddy. All right, buddy, I'm going to break your camera now.
Tap in.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. It does.
I appreciate the good spirit.
It's just super unfair. I had memorized rules. I don't like knowing the rules because everyone asks me.
This is correct. It's just super unfair.
Yeah, I'm with you. I honestly, I wish that wasn't a rule. Like, if it doesn't affect, it shouldn't affect.
It's happened for and against us so many times against players. Let's go, Cats!
Yeah, same result. So, Buddy, who just got subbed in, he actually does this professionally.
Oh, shit, okay.
So,
Flick!
yep.
Flick!
Yeah. I'm totally going to break this. It's fine.
Steal, yeah, flick.
Chili.
If you do break it,
I'm not buying it.
blame the guy in the blue cap shirt. Quick to the mark. You stay there, Josh.
Sounds good. I will.
We'll
He'll get a Venmo request.
We'll back you up.
Appreciate it. Up!
I like it. Yeah, Cotter. Nice little baseball slider, Rooney.
Yeah, no round. No break.
Slide into my DM.
No break.
You won't.
Bryce is moving.
I'm gonna make it more aerodynamic. It gives him lift when he goes up.
Put on my nipple. Let's go, Mom!
Ooh, that's a dagger. Yeah. Definitely. No catching that.
Let's go, Mob. Let's go.
Not worth it. Totally not worth it.
I guess same difference, yeah. Same thing.
Z!
Yeah, I don't get big bucks.
Come back in, Pesto. Come back in.
Stay with 33. And you got your left.
Break it!
Cotter, you got behind you.
Stelios.
Easy. Lots of time. So much time, Grant. Yeah, you too.
One more.
Oh yeah, Pesto. Yeah.
Crash.
Just keep shredding that cup.
Stelly back, Stelly.
Cotter, you got one behind.
No.
Come on, Greg.
Wow.
Almost. We'll cut that clip short right there.
Against the 7-footer.
Yeah.
We played a team that videotaped one time, and you can see the whole game, and then randomly they missed 1 point, and it's because our big guy right here, number 20, skied like 4 of them. And it's just like nothing happened. Scores now 9.
Pesto! Yeah!
Nice bid, Pesto. Nice good, nice
Grand
good.
tight. Extra good.
Yes! Oh!
Yes, I swear, like 75% of the time, Germ touches the disc, gets a D, assist or score.
Yeah, it's so true.
crazy.
Oh God.
And then it's just.
He's a
Swing it! Swing it!
Lewis.
Oh, jeez. Just move it! Oh, wow.
It was like towards the end of the game, he only had 7 guys.
Here we go, Mob. Pesto's got that match. Pesto with the match.
Yeah, it's the first time I looked over.
See Pesto! Oh, God.
Come on, Landon.
Oh!
Damn.
Yeah.
Why
but-
do they make it so hard?
Midnight. Yes! Midnight!
Yeah, Germ!
It's all that after wrist.
Let's go, Liam!
Yeah, first throw! Let's go!
Yes, Manny!
Catch it, this will be great.
It's up! Rudy, that's the guy! It's up! Let's go, Dick! Let's go, Dick!
Oh, good catch. Not in.
Curl up! 7 years old. Respects that.
Good buddy! Come on,
Big mom guy.
Mob.
Good morning.
That's the only thing you can
Oh, he got the disc. So.
Right. Once you're at that point, you just gotta do what you can do.
I was covering, not really covering though.
Yeah.
He sold the upline ice, and I totally bought it. Like stamped, sealed, approved. Like.
Carter, you're a beautiful man. And you're good at throwing.
Oh it!
Stretch him.
Yeah, Grant.
Yeah,
Ian, mix it up.
And back out, Ian.
Now we have to wait like.
Hey, let's go, Mob.
Yeah, Rogies. Stay in. Boo.
Here we go, Mob.
Yes, you are. It's good. Yes, Grant.
Yeah, Bryce, good.
Yes, Pesto.
Yeah, track here, Brandon. No round. Stay around.
Wow.
Germ, you fucking king.
Oh my God, I love Germ. Stay with the next.
Let's go! If you look at those, they're moving this way. Hawk, it's rotational.
Neither of us can call in. I have metal in my knee. I'm a walking lightning rod. I don't think I will. I think I'm gonna stand next to my battle buddy the whole game.
Well, there's a metal tripod right here and a few metal canopies.
Yeah, if we get real lightning, I'm fucked. Jackson under.
Looking Waffles! Looking!
Waffles! Waffles! Jackson! Jackson! Up! Yeah! There you go!
That's a Belgian waffle right there.
Right here, Mom! Swing it! Swing it!
Drag hot, drag.
Up! Yeah, waffles!
Up!
Yeah!
Oh. That's a revenge call. That's not a revenge call.
What was called? Was it?
Ego calls from pro players, crazy.
It's hard to hate when it's back-to-back.
I don't like any travel calls.
I don't either.
Especially with the no rules. I don't think you should be allowed to call them if it's your guard.
You can't see it. You're not looking at the movie.
The new rules literally save it too.
Yeah!
Is that the first point? No.
No, second. We came out on O.
We held and break.
Yeah.
Just 7-5 or 7-6?
They said I'm not sure.
Come on, Jack.
Yeah, this is you, Jack. In two, Jack. In two.
Jack.
Yes, Jack.
Buddy.
Buddy hit it first, though. Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's still, I don't like it sometimes when this is later when you don't have a second card, but you could feel like you had a second card. Maybe you could have said that.
Oh, I see the Alex with it. Yeah. This is what high performance looks like.
You're letting the jersey go to your head. Just remember, you're not that X.
All right, step back up. Do it again, buddy.
You could be. You have the height advantage, but you don't have the speed or the jumps.
I kind of have to speed sometimes.
For the first 3 steps.
It'll be all under Jack. Hey, deep cut.
Up.
Keep it up, Waffles.
Up.
Buddy. You're good, buddy.
Dave, he's a lefty? Oh! Yeah! It's too late. The zoom is this one.
Yeah, I don't think I got it on camera.
Well, you got it on video. Just zoom in. That one right there. Just what? Definitely coming in. You taught me how to do it.
We can't mock on it. Like all the plays that we have, it looks so good. When he plays it, it looks.
It's all good. This is a professional. We're not. You can't expect us to be good. Right? That's true.
Yeah.
He does that professionally.
We're deep, cutters.
Like a real deal camera, like $5,000 or $10,000.
I don't know who else you're talking to. Come on, Waffles. You got it, bud. Let!
Come on, Bob. Take advantage of this.
You got this. You got this.
He always gets up.
Nice, Jackson.
Jackson clear.
Hey! Coming!
Come on, Jackson.
Luke, go for the disc.
There we go. That's a break.
Good point, guys. Good point.
Come on.
Sunset! What?
The Dorney yesterday.
Nice.
Come
on, Manny.
Come on, Liam. Please let him bounce. Please let that's not inbounds. Is that? That's inbounds.
Looking deep, looking deep.
Come on, Alex.
Manny.
Stay with him.
William last, Doug last, Doug last, Doug
Hey,
last.
Dougie's under! Dougie's under!
Alan last. Alex last.
Stop! Nothing off this line, TJ. Nothing off this line. No rounds. Rounds are not okay. That's fine.
Strike.
There he is! That's your D! That's your D!
Freeze.
Get him back, get him back. Hey, who's up, who's up, who's up, who's up? Go big, go big. And he's out. That's there, Manny.
Help him!
Oh, that was
Pretty clean.
that's just a technical easy one.
Hey, there you go.
Let's go, Mob. Let's go, Alan.
Oh, dude, when I saw your shirt, I was like, my payday. I was like, I knew that someone right there's no one over there. I was like, dude, just please keep running. Oh, I was getting like, hello day again. I was right, bro. I got enough confidence.
I don't know if I trust PJ's prediction that this storm is going to miss us. It doesn't look like it's going to miss us.
Yeah, you see the Check Manny's. That's the only guy, Lewis. That's the only guy. Hey, Lewis, you got one in right. There you go. Check. It's Jimmy back. Jimmy's back. Lewis is high. Attention now, Lewis. One behind right. That's it. That's the only guy. Follow. Great, look for it! Great, look for it!
Let's go, Landon.
Hey guys, cover your shit though!
Yeah, get your stuff.
Cover your shit though! What? Oh yeah, it's gonna miss us. It is! We haven't done yet.
Midnight!
Oh, I know that line! That's me!
Oh, that's me. Yay! Playing time.
Let's go, Rudy! Hey, big mob on the pool. Emma! Car!
Is that disc still good?
Yeah.
That disc is tacoed!
How's it disc?
That disc is tacoed!
Rudy did that.
Was it Rudy?
Yeah. Sent that right into the back of X's dad's car, dude. All right, subs. Yeah, subs. Yeah, subs. Yeah, subs. Nothing off this line.
Tony out! Tony approach!
No around, Manny. No around. Seal it. No arounds. Manny!
Keep it on, Manny.
Tight. Holy crap. Oh my God.
That's not real.
Yeah, he sent that.
I felt so. When I let go of it, I thought it was going to be good. I saw Marty. I was like,
Here we go, Mob.
Oh, we backed him!
oh, he backed up. Here we go. It's on Phil.
Pesto's fast. He's not a great
Yeah,
guy.
Pesto.
We're not doing Ducky, go Ducky. Yeah, seal here, Josh. Seal, Ducky, seal.
Get it off this line.
Boys, come on.
I think he's got chest.
Get it off the line, Henny. Go two. Look to swing, Landon.
No big.
Oh, Pesto. Oh, damn.
I hope I didn't block that.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Damn, dude.
This is like,
That's menacing.
it's like gonna hit us, but also like, is it as dark as I feel like it should be?
Pretty gnarly.
Because like there's this open area right here. I'm like, it could like kind of roll through without like.
Great bid, Pesto. Here we go, D.
Recognize the upwind. Recognize the upwind.
Ian.
Thanks, Brandon.
Nothing. No big. Nothing around. That's fine.
Someone go back.
Hard force. Daisy.
In the air. It's in the air.
No break, Stacy. Hold that force. Up line. Stop.
Good seal.
Yes, Landon.
Any good hands. Yes, great hard. Chili.
That's all right, Bob!
Hey, someone fill. Good call.
Pesto.
That's a break, Cats!
Evening. Here we go, O.
After this point, it's +2 the high score.
+2. +2.
I have to interject every time someone else We're from Maryland. For me, 2 hours because I live at the PA line. Some of these guys are just like,
Rudy, where do you live?
I live in Harvey County, Norrisville.
Oh, okay, you're Harvey.
Yeah, I'm like middle of.
Let's go, Bob!
Well, I'm the same, just in Carolina.
Center it.
This is actually probably a bit cool.
Nice and easy.
We get, it's like
Big cool my ass.
the heat compared to what it usually is. The heat is
My
the
ass.
temperature itself isn't usually the bad thing. It's
Yes.
just
Yes, Grant.
yeah, so I'm sure y'all just
Yeah, pull people back.
Come in, someone in.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we're like an hour from and like we're 4.5 hours from
Oh, so you're getting all that swamp. That sucks.
Yes, Pesto.
X out.
Ooh. Is that a foul?
X, when you look at this film, you got to run hard through that. No jogging. Next time.
That's the nice thing about it.
I might not remember to. If he does, I'm sure he knows. But if he doesn't,
That's a choice. That was an interesting choice.
Here we go. Oh, shit.
Landon got screwed.
Oh, Germ.
Germ's up there.
That's that germ.
If there's one guy who can call for that LSU, couldn't even see it.
Get in your buddy's ears.
Let's go, Waffles!
Let's go, Manny. I like the recommendation. Oh shit.
Waffles, you know what they want?
It's crazy that we haven't done this all game, but now last point we're pulling out a side It makes sense.
I like it.
Surely they don't go deep on this. Waffles under, waffles under.
Luke is free. Luke is so free.
Up. Yeah, tighten up, Manny. Up. Tight, Manny, tight, Manny, tight,
100%, boys.
Oh. Yeah, no strike, no strike.
Oh. Watch out, Liam. Oh. Nice game.
Way to grind, Mom.
Hey, make sure everything you have is in a waterproof thing.